Alright, we'll come back to this thing before we start. I did what? Question 5b. Let me just check to make sure. I did which question? Yeah. I did question 5b of a May 2021 past paper. Let me get a call. I have to go somewhere. So, get back here with it now. So, the question says, a two-way contingency table below. Hold on. Yeah, a two-way contingency table below. Give information on the mode of transportation to school for 100 students. You must complete the table by inserting the missing values. Alright? So all of them values there are missing. You have to put them in. Pause the video and put them in for me now. Alright, you done? Finish? Alright, so I'm going to see what I go on now. 15 and 5 or 20 and 3, 25. So 8 would have to go here, so. Right? This would have to be 8 because this means 15 boy and 8 girl. Total of 23. Alright, we can't deal with this one. It's what? Walk, cycle and drive are 48. So walk are 15 plus cycle plus drive 14 equal 48. So we have to go calculate that. How much for cycle? 15 and 14 hour. 29, 48 minus 29. That hour. 19. So 19 must come here. So, so that 15 and 14 give you 29 and 19 give you 48. Alright, so this now can give you the total 19 and 18. That's a 37, right? Alright, you want the total there, so 48 plus what give you 50, give you 100. 48 and 52 are 100. Or you can say 18 and 8. That 26. So 18 and 8 are 26. 26 plus 26, 52. Alright, so that's everything I saw. You see. Now, after that, we say a student is selected at random. What random mean? You must know the word there, you know? Right? You must know the word them. Random mean you and nobody else no have control over who get picked. It's like you have some ticket and some paper with number upon them in one bag and you shake out the bag. And somebody look up in the ceiling and put down your hand in the bag and draw about the first ticket one feel. That's a random, you know. Because you then look in there and say, alright, let me pick this one here. Right? Random, meaning it just happens so, and you don't have no control over which one get picked. So, a student is selected at random. What is the probability that he or she was being driven to school on that day? Alright. Remember what probability? What probability mean? Probability mean how much you want or how many you want over the total available. So the total, everything, including how much you want, everything available. Alright. So them say so now. The probability that he or she was being driven to school on that day. You tell me what you get. Work it out and write it down. Right? Remember say, you have to learn this thing here by doing. You hear me? That is how you learn the maths. You have to do the maths. You see it? So now, random probability that he or she is driven. You know, say, the question no say a boy, you know, and the question no say a girl, it says student. So you have to say now, how much student driven over how much student total. So being driven, 40 student drive, and that drive 40 of them. And how much are all of the students? Them 100. So in this case now, remember say part 2 we do, you know. Right. So in this case, you have to say 40 over 100. Then you cancel down 40 over 100 how much? 4 over 10. But you can't cancel down further. 2 into 4, 2, 2 into 10, 5. 2 fifths. You see? Just leave it as 2 fifths. Nobody write down up this a point and that the point and decimal. Just leave it the way them say they want it. Well, no, they not tell us so they want it a fraction. But leave it as fraction. Right? So the probability that he or she was being driven to school on that day. So you see. Alright. There's some bird outside I sing. I don't know if you can hear it. You know the mic. Let me look for them, you see. But anyway, alright. What am I do now? What am I do? Let me rub out this. Why is them say there so now? Part 2 said, one of the girls is selected at random. What is the probability that she did not cycle to school? Alright. Now the thing is, you have 2 ways to deal with it. You can say, a part 3 with it though. You can say, probability that the girl cycle. And then you say 1 minus the probability. CY. Okay. I forgot how to spell cycle. 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 1 minus the probability that the girl cycle. That means he give you the probability that she not cycle. Or another way you can do is say the probability of finding a girl that did not cycle. Alright, so we could look at the 2 ways then now. So for you find out the probability that she, alright. We want to find out the probability, say she cycle. That means say she ride bicycle. Right? Probability say she ride bicycle. Remember say this bicycle and bike thing here. It's the bike now don't make a dangerous thing, you know. Especially when some of them might drive up on the road. Right? It's a dangerous thing to ride bicycle. How much people on bicycle might drive a lick down. Right? Although some of the bicycle rider them kill is still. The people take time on the road. But anyway, let me see what I go on and so. The probability that she not cycle. How much girls cycle? 18 of them cycle. So 18 girls cycle. And how much girl they have in a total 52. So you have 18 girls cycle and 52 girls. So alright, so the probability is so. How much girl can they say again? 18 of them? Yeah, 18. Alright, 18 girl picnic cycle and you have 52 girl picnic at school there. So you have 18 over 52. That's how much now? 2 into 18, 9. 2 into 50, 25. 9 over 25. That's a cycle now. And then the probability that the girl Don't cycle. Will that be 1 minus the 9 over 25? Oh God, you have to remember your fraction, you know. You see the amount of you have to remember, right? When you do all probability and it, you have to remember your fraction, so that's why you must practice the maths. That you remember. So this, I like 25 over 25 minus 9 over 25. 25 minus 9, how much again? 25 minus 25 minus 10 would that be 15, but a minus 9 or 16. Just do it in my head. I have to practice to do it in the head sometime. Or you can say 25 minus 9 mean you drop off 5, go down to 20, and you drop off 4 more, go down to 16. So that's 16 over 25. You see it? Right? 16 over 25. That's the probability that the girl did not cycle. Another way me that say, how much of them never cycle? 8 walk and 26 drive. Right? So 26 and 8 how much? 26 and 4 are 30 and 4, 30. Alright? So cycle. Alright, so 26 and 8 are 34. So 34 over 52. How much? 34 over 52. Right? Equal. Hold on there. Mistake up here, so. I have to go back up here, so. At 26 over this hour. At 18 over 52, you know. Where me get 50 from? I hope when I did see that, you know. My teacher make mistake when I see it. At 52, me should have write, you know where me get 50 from. At 52, come here, so. So 2 into 18, 9, 2 into 52. 2 into 52, how much? 19. That's up. 25, 26, me mean 26. So me get 26 from. Alright. So I should have 9 over 26, you know. Mistake, me make up here, so. So let me rub out some part of this thing and do it again. Right? So 1 minus 9 over 26. It come in like 26 over 26 minus 9 over 26. And that's how much now? 26 minus 9. It would have come in like 26 minus 6 minus 3 because negative 6 minus 3 and 9. 26 minus 3, you drop down at 20. Drop off 13, drop off 3 more, you go down at 17. 17 over 26. Right? And 17 over 26, that you know. Alright. Now, what we do up here, so, you say, you find the probability that, hold on there, give me a minute there. I'm going to have that balloon here somewhere. Alright. Let me don't know. Oh, now they call me right in the video. Let me turn off the phone here and done. Me done the question and then call them back. So, we do up here, so I say the probability that the girl cycle. Alright, you say 18 of them girl pick me a cycle and a 52 of them. So 18 over 52, that's the probability that, say, whoever you find upon the cycle. And then 1 minus that mean not cycle. So the probability, so them not cycle, are 17 over 26. The other thing you can do is say, how much of them not cycle? Alright, 8 of them walk and 26 of them drive. So 26 and 8, after 34 of them don't cycle. And the total of 52. So 34 of them not cycle over 52. And say 2 into 34 are 17. Because 17 by 2 are 34, right? And then 2 into 52, 26. So you get the same 17 over 26. So you see, whichever way you want to do it. So you go. Alright. Let me see what it's going to say. My girl not select. Good. Question 5, don't you know? Alright. That is question 5B. So, one next time we look on question 6. And see what I say.